Nephew. Good morning, nephew.
Morning, Chris. How you do, my brother?
I'm all right. I'm alive.
The cutting of ribbon by the government is of a concern to the PNP. The PNP is questioning it because they don't use to it. And they don't understand that the government can only cut ribbon because the economy of this country is doing very well, and that's why the government have the resources to cut ribbon. And it is really a big concern to the People's National Party that they are criticizing it a lot, Cliff, and going around the country trying to fool the Jamaican people about these ribbon cutting. I don't know if you have noticed it, Cliff.
Ribbon cutting is something that is part of the culture here for governments, private sector, when you have a major event or something to open or to unveil. Yeah, you cut the ribbon. It's part of the ceremonial aspect of it. Yeah, I don't know why the PNP would want to. I don't know.
Cliff, as I explain it to you, the economy under the PNP have not done well. The record is there.
So they're trying to denigrate from it, from the symbolism of achievement. That is what they're trying to do.
Yeah, that's that. And the next thing again is bothering the PNP is the school bus system, which you saw when you talk to parents. They tell you how much they are so happy. Sorry. I can give you an example. You have children from Ochi who come to school in St. Mary, all the way into Richmond Technical, St. Mary Technical High School. At the present moment, that round trip for that child will cost the parents over $700. This new bus system now will cost the parents $200 on a round trip. $500 a day saving, Cliff. Which parents, Cliff, you think would have object to something like that, Cliff? Knowing that the bus fare for children will cut down from $700 to $200, Cliff.
And not only the fare will be cut, which will be welcomed by any parent, yeah, so that makes it a rational decision, but also the safety in knowing that your child is on a bus with people who are monitors, yes, people who are monitored. You yourself can monitor where your child is in relation to the route that they're on. That is a massive reason for every parent to welcome it.
Make the ordinary civilian tells you when evening time come and school over, and you look at the bus stop, the taxi stand to the amount of children them who have to get up there, and the taxi man tell them they can only bring 2 or 3 because the adult fare is more.
Yeah, no schoolers.
They really understand.
Yeah.
You know, and children reach home late in a cliff. And then to wait, it is painful for them. And the problem the PNP have is that they have this belief that the school bus system will really help the Jamaica Labour Party to win the 3rd term. But the Labour Party don't need the school bus system. They have done so much over the 9 years, Cliff. So much over the 9 years.
Yes.
There's no way any well-thinking Jamaican would have go against the government now for the PNP, which is just tearing down. Then they are suggesting a lot of things in a clip. And up to now, they are not telling the Jamaican people how will they fund it. They are here talking about $1 million, towards some age group were going to own house for the first time, 500,000 as a grant. They are going to give another million here. They are going to give parents 2,500 a week. Where would the money come from to further the economy under their stewardship over the years have not grown for
Yeah.
they to do that, Chris?
Yes.
They need to tell us how would they able to grow the economy to produce those money to fund these programs. We haven't heard any such thing from them. Chris, there's no doubt Andrew Holness and his government deserve another term.
Well,
That I'm not going to ask you if you agree with me.
are people out the road seeing that, buying that, accepting that?
Well, over the weekend, the JLP have a few conferences around the country, and the turnout is excellent, and you know that the energy is getting a little more excited. More people is making their position known more and more now, and it is clear that the Labour Party will get a third term under Dr. Andrew Michael Holness.
Oh, all right. Let us see.
Thank you.
All right. Time for the break. After the break, more of your calls. Online, a Nationwide 90 FM. We're streaming live on our YouTube channel, a Nationwide 90 FM live. And we're also on TikTok. Yes, a Nationwide 90 FM. All right. You can access us, hear us on several platforms. Aisha, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
All right, good morning to each and everyone on board.
Turn down your I don't know if it's your radio or your laptop or your phone. I don't know what, but we're hearing a feedback in the background.
Okay, I turn it off now.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, blessed good morning again.
Blessed morning to you too.
Yeah, what I did really want really call it to talk to you about the part with me and my children name.
Yes, the PATH program and your children.
PATH program, yeah. It's been 5 years now, Mr. Confused. 5 years now. I sign it down apart, and each time I go down there, them say they will get back to me. People is here before me, and all up till now, Mr. Confused.
All up till now, you haven't heard from them?
Listen, you have one that is 18 years old that going to Jamaica College, one is 9 that going to Scots down here, and one is 2. That is the last child.
And
2,
9, and 18.
Yeah. And then going to upper 6. Them come here one time, I'm going to be frank with you. Them come here one time. And
Come where?
9 Lower Second Street.
No, don't tell me the exact. Your house? Your home?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
But when they asking others things, them never know say somebody named Aisha Nunes. So when them gone, and like a friend of mine come to me and say, Aisha, I never know say your name.
Yeah, I'm trying to. You mean what? What is it you're saying? I'm not understanding.
Oh, what I'm trying to say, if you could help me to say if I can get somebody to get the children them on card.
Yes. All right, but you said when they came, did they interview you when they came to the house?
No, they didn't interview me. I go back down there to them and they said they will come back to my house to give me an interview all up till now.
So the first time when they came, who did they speak with?
Them never see me at my house because I wasn't here. And somebody of mine told me that they come here, but they say that they never know somebody named Aisha. And nobody here know my right name.
Oh, so they were asking people in the yard, in the community,
for
Aisha.
Yes, and nobody know my right name here. They won't even know me by the ALF name Poochie.
Poochie.
Yes, sir.
So the people tell them they don't know nobody named Aisha.
Exactly, sir. Yes, sir.
And that was how long ago?
What's nearly 8 months now because I went down there the other day and they will come at my house September. So every time I go down there, them put me off and say they will come at my house, they will come at my house.
So that was 8 months ago that they came to your house, yeah?
Yeah.
Or how long ago you applied to be on Path?
Oh, how long ago? Nearly 5 years now. I got to 6 years now.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Oh, and how
I'm
many
telling
times
you.
have you applied in those 5-6 years?
Oh, I go down there last month. I got down there January. To be honest, frank with you, I got down there January.
Let me tell you something, Aisha. You have to be honest with me right through. You have to tell me everything and tell me it accurately and truthfully.
Accurate. Okay. I'm being honest here, sir.
Good.
Okay, I go down there January. I give them 6 months apart, and I go down there. Them say them cannot find the paper. Them have to sign me back over again. So I went down there last month, and them say them will come at my house September. So me tell Mr. Mrs. I don't recall her name now. I told her that I really need help, and each time I come down here, I have to sign it back over and over. Why the things them cannot sign and put in one place? Each time I come down here, the things them have to sign back all over.
And which Path office you went to?
The one at Duke Street. What is the name? I don't know the name again. Down to mall there.
Mall where? In a Kingston?
Yes, sir.
King Street? Church Street? Mall as in the shopping mall?
Church Street.
Oh, the Kingston Mall on the waterfront, near to the waterfront?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Oh, they're in that building down there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you know the name of the persons you spoke with? Oh, hold on. There's somebody I prompt you to answer my question in the background, Aisha. You remember who you got to, Aisha?
I'm trying to recall her name in mountain and I can't remember.
Okay, so you never get a paper from them? No
yes, ma'am. No, I never get no receipt and I didn't get any paper, nothing at all. More than them time if I come back down there September. If I don't get no call the next 3 months from now, if I come back down there September to them.
Okay. So that is September coming?
Yes, sir.
Oh. So I think you should go back down there now. Don't wait until September. You're working, ma'am? You're working?
No, sir.
The children's father don't help you to take care of them?
Yes, sir. I won't lie.
Good. Yeah, but you need more help.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm trying to get in the kids and on par. Even though the little boy leave Jamaica College and still don't achieve not even $1 from part until now.
How well did he do at Jamaica College?
I'm doing CXC the other day, so we're waiting on the result next month, which is August.
Yes, he's waiting on the results.
To know what is what, yes.
Yeah, what
Send the home now.
Oh.
Yes, but the 9-year-old still going to school. The last one that turned 2 the other day not going to school till January.
So hold on, How old are you?
42 this year, sir.
And you don't think you can stop now?
Of course. That is it for me, I swear. I don't want any more.
All right. How is the young man doing? He's well behaved, not getting in the bad crowd, bad company?
No, sir. Him just love him phone, love him laptop, love play football, read. Good. That's it, nothing more. Yeah, him not get himself in that. Because whenever he come by my house, him don't go outside. He even said to himself, on a day can go outside, go play and thing, I say, Mommy, why you constantly forcing me outside? I don't want to go outside. Sometimes I say, go around to your grandma, and don't want to go outside. Somebody told me that I must not force him to go and make him stay. He's a person that don't come outside.
Yes. So he doesn't live with you? You say when him come by your house?
He lives with his father.
Oh. He lives with the father.
Yeah, but him have a time, him just come by me and just spend like 4 months, 3 months until him ready to go home back. Yes,
so
sir.
how would you get Path support and he doesn't live with you? That's going to be
No,
an issue.
that was back then when time I did live with the father before me did move from out of the father house.
Yeah, so you're not living with the father now.
No.
But the son is not living with you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, as in he is living with you or not?
No, sir, he live with his father. But I know that I won't get any money for him now because he's not with me.
Right. But
yes,
for the other two.
I know all of that.
But the other two are living with you, the 9 and 2-year-old?
Yes, sir.
They're living with you?
Yes, sir, 9 and 2. They're with me now.
Good. And they're the son of the same father?
No, sir.
So what do you do for a living?
I'm going to be honest here. Sometimes my cousin will give me a little rose like she said, okay, then Aisha, wash my clothes them like every other month. We'll give you $4,000. Any little thing anybody call me to do, I will jump ahead and do it because in life, it's not what you save is what you earn. It's not what you save is what you earn. Anyway, you want to put it? Yes, sir. We try to jump around.
So you do domestic work from time to time?
Yes. So once it's putting food on the table, any little thing, anything at all.
Yeah. So you're a young woman at 42. You're healthy?
Yes, sir.
You're not having any ailment, any illness?
Just pressure alone, sir. That's it.
Yeah.
I'm going to be frank with anything you ask. I'm going to be honest to you and tell you exactly what's going on.
And I appreciate that. Yeah.
You're more than welcome, sir.
So tell me,
you
went to school, right?
Yes, sir.
Where you went to school?
Huh?
Where did you go to school?
Mona High.
Mona High. How many six do you have?
To be honest with you, I didn't leave school from my tender age because my father did deceased. I'm going to live with my grandma, so things kind of get ups and downs from there. So I never finish up school. I won't lie to you.
Yeah. So you left school at in what form?
9.
Grade 9?
Yes, sir.
And you haven't been back?
No, sir.
But you can read and write good, though?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything you enjoy doing that you could get a skill in?
You know, sir, to be honest with you, I used to do sewing and like me just tell myself, I'm just stop. And somebody tell me I should stop. I used to do sewing.
Flooring? Sewing, yes.
Yeah. I used to can sew like pot holder and crocker's bag.
So you can still make a living from that, you know?
Which is right.
So you can go to Heart?
Yes, sir.
You ever thought of that?
Plenty times, because I live right here, right to Boystown, here when they have the art just over the school here. Yes, sir.
And you know, go over there?
Plenty of time I think about it. I won't lie.
Let me tell you something, Mama. If I were ever near you,
you lick me upon my mouth, don't you?
Just slap you across your face and go over, put on your clothes and go over Heart now, go apply it to Heart.
For sure, man.
No. And you don't have to pay nothing.
Me know.
So when you go over there, go learn them have whole heap of things over the way you can go learn a skill. After a year, 2 years, you know have to take bus.
Yeah.
You know have to take bus, then give you lunch money, yeah? And you learn a skill while you sit on a yard now do nothing. Go over there now. When you finish, you put on your dress, go take a shower, and go over there. Tell them that you are interested in doing one of the programs over there and learn a skill. Go do the clothing and textiles. Yeah? Them have cosmetology. You can turn nail technician. Them have a whole heap of skills over there. Aisha.
Yes, sir.
You let down Aisha. No, man. You can walk over Heart. Go over there and ask them.
Just like the other day, I go up to your honey bun and signed up, and then for the next 3 weeks they will call me out. I haven't received any call from them as yet. Yes, come I do the test, I pass the test, I do everything I can think of. Do my food and gas, pass the test, everything I'm carrying back to them.
Yes.
And they told me that the next 3 weeks they would have called me, but all I know, I haven't received a call from them. This man, somebody told me that I must go back up there and tell him that I haven't received a call as yet.
Yes.
Yes.
And that is an option, but I'm telling you, if you go over to the Heart give you a stipend, because right now you're short of cash. You don't like cash.
Yes, sir.
But Heart can give you, depending, I don't know the circumstances, but the first thing I ask you to do, your primary objective, my dear, is to get a skill so you can go earn and become an independent woman and no more picnic.
No, man.
Lock it off.
No, man. It lock off Mr. Cliffview, I swear. We don't want any more, man. No one please, you know.
I mean, I say enough to do it, well, you know, but pad up. Take care of
That's
yourself. Yes?
That's true, man.
So promise me now. You're going over heart. Go check
Yes,
it out.
sir.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Go over
Yes,
heart,
sir.
go check it out, and come back and call me. Miss Nora going to give you our number. You call us and make you tell me what is the problem you meet over heart, and you go learn a skill. You can learn your sewing. You know, like to hear.
No, me can't come here, I swear.
But you can do the sewing.
Yes.
Yes, you go over heart and check it out, and I'm going to appeal to the people at Path. Yes, we have a program. You can deal with them on your show, Nora. We'll need your name, and the name of the children. Yeah, and we can ask Path about them. But you have to help yourself first.
Yes, sir.
You have to depend on nobody.
But true, me know the local parties here for the kids them as well. That's why I really reach out to you and try to call you.
Yes. And that is a good start. But you have another 30 years of your life. Yeah? You're in good health.
Sir.
Go learn a skill. Yeah? Build upon that skill. You don't know where you're going to take it to. If you do your sewing and whatever, who knows? You can start sew for yourself, yeah, and make your own money. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So Aisha, don't promise me. Promise yourself.
Promise myself.
Yes, you're going over heart. No. Go put on your clothes, make you look presentable to them. Now we're not slippers. Yes?
No, man, me know the shoes. No,
yes.
I know that.
Yeah, make yourself presentable and tell them you want to speak with the administrator there about doing one of the programs, signing up for one of the programs.
Yes, sir.
And call me back and let me know how it goes.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Good morning to you, Miss Campbell.
Long time I hear you, I talk to you.
Yes. So yeah.
Come on, sing a little song for you first. You want to hear it?
Yes.
Can Andrew bear the cross alone and all the world go free? For raise the cross from Mr. Holness, but we did it 15 ashes. Talk to me now, please. Long for your advice. Me want to know what else Mr. Holness to do to please Jamaican people. Can you give me an answer, sir?
Ooh. You give me the answer. You tell me.
I don't see nothing else the poor little young boy could do for Jamaican people. Come on, man. If you want to look at even the bus will come at Jamaica. The first time PMP said things to the children them at Jamaica, it was milk powder to run them belly. Now, Mr. Holness, they bring bus to carry the children. You ask one the bus, how you don't know the kind of people in the bus? PMP in the bus and Labour right in the bus. How you ever stone the bus? How you going to stone the bus? Chris, that is not good.
No, it's not.
That is not good. And let me tell you something, Chris.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime you do a work, me do a work, and me now make my friend to make it. If me do my work, me have to control my work. Me not do my work and let it give nobody. The amount of work for me do, me not let it give nobody.
Mm-hmm.
Talking to me go down a Mandeville one day. And me the one to play and see Mr. Bunting in there. And me sit down and talk and I listen everything went in. And I talk some wicked things in Mr. Holness. That man there. When he finished talk, I say, Mr. Bunting, you know me? He said no. He said me I one of Mr. Holness fan. Me hear everything where you say about him, but me don't tell Mr. Holness, can you see him? And nothing's going to do to him, and I know him don't answer. I'm blessed and highly favored.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Holness, a belated birthday to you, because you're going to live with it. And all whether I try with you, you have to win the victory Me not ask Christ this, you know. So they murder you. They murder you east, they murder you west, they murder you north, they murder you south. I know you're not saying nothing. But me I tell you, the humble calf took the most place. I mean, I know what you do for Jamaica people again. Me love you so much. I want to go to some turn family now and see fish for you. I sit there, go for my yard, go do now. I mean, I tell you, you know, come over third term, we say, and a third term we have. Third term we say, and a third term we have. So God in the victory, we smile at the scam. I mean, know you can God in the knapsack for your back. You know what talk already. You know what talk already. Kingston 11, and we not left you. And I'll me tell the labor right them say. I'll walk wild and say, me not get nothing. Because I want to stand up at everybody yard and use them. Some have workers. Some of the workers, me want to stand up and do one for them, you know. Because everybody, because I want to say, look here, for your labor right, nothing can change you. I'm going to tell you, so we are going like a bee's eye for you. So keep cool. Chris, I love you to my heart.
So hold on, Miss Campbell.
Yes, I love you to my heart.
Thank you.
Yes.
Tell me.
I'm steam, so third time, you know, I steam fish. So Mr. Holness lunch when him a pass me more. But me I tell you, say, we see night and we not if Mr. Holness.
So hold on there, Miss Campbell. Me interested about how you going to prepare the turn corn meal. Me understand the steam fish. Where you going to put in the turn corn meal?
Me native porkness already. That's the first thing. I'm still on time and things. And you want a little mixed veg in it too. And a big of a snapper fish. With two slices of carrot beside it. A piece of lettuce and one slice of salad. And I have June plum juice that's so cream.
What?
June plum juice that's so in the fridge a cool cream. And them say nose big, but it's sitting body. And you look good, no boss. You look like now. I don't like Jesus. So later, kids, I love you.
So hold on there. Me can't get some of the steam fish and turn corn meal.
If the brother will not Portland Sunday, we'll try some beer.
Oh.
All right.
So, Mr. Holness, your people, so you put up special food for him.
Oh, when you say the boy look good. The man look good.
Are you man?
Mr. Man gonna prison for 50 years and he long time old on my boss. Belated birthday to you, baby. I love you like, I love you. Please, later.
All right, Miss Campbell. So, Mr. Holness, your steam fish snapper. Yeah, my favorite steam fish. Yeah, one of my favorites, snapper and the butterfish. And ton corn meal with mixed vegetables. Wow, a healthy meal, Latina. It's Campbell easy. Who do I have? Michael, good morning.
Oh, you say who's?
Good morning, Michael.
Good morning, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Well, me like how you watch the program, you know.
You don't like how me do it?
Me like how you do it, man.
Yeah?
It come like the West Indies and Australia where they when Australia go along the West Indies or nothing. Yeah. So, you come like say two sides of the story, you know, cause are you there to give them culture and say, like, you know, say we don't no war in this election.
Mm-hmm.
We will mind see this election without one bloodshed.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
And the next thing, you know, the education business, all over the day, have to straighten it up and have to straighten up with a quick time, you know. Because you have students who leave high school and cannot read and write, and students who leave out of basic school don't can read and write, said we. So, they must step up with the education system and to make your youth them survive.
Yes.
Yeah, man. And the next thing is a youth. You hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you.
Yeah, the next thing, the road from Guava is to Flamstead, you know. I don't know who between Miss Holness and Rada. Them to get the road properly fixed before the rain season come down again, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And open up all the drains them we need to open lots of water and run from the road and mash up the road, you know.
Yes.
And the next thing again now, over West Sierra there, you know, the ice district in Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
There are a bridge down a Robert Seal and they are cater for years, man. I don't know why, number one, I hear the cry. As a big residential farming community, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And this is the highest, it's the highest what?
The ice point of Jamaica. No one live higher than the West Sierra people there, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mm.
So them to get the bridge and down a Robert Ceiling at the Navy's Bank. And when I check out to Mr. Warmington, he leave a money, you know, to the one to go up on the peak. Hadley's Gap, you know, the border, the river make the border with Mrs. Holness and Mr. James Roberts. You understand?
Yes.
But in the St. Anne's here, because there were children all over from the St. Thomas cottage, they come across and go out of town, a high school, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, so them to really look about that, man.
Yes.
And the next thing, you know,
Mm-hmm.
the education business, where the people, where they go on with the education, business, over 60 years, you still find dunces, and when you find dunces, you.
Well, I don't know if you can describe them that way. Yeah, but there are several reasons why some children don't get it together. Yeah, but they're trying to make it more effective for them to be literate and numerate and to master the skills that they need for secondary education. You know? But thank you, Michael. Yeah, finish your point?
Yeah. Mr. Within the education business, man, them to straighten it up.
Yes.
And the next quick point, you know, Mr. Hughes, and I'll go after this. The coffee business, you know, the man them kill out 80% of the coffee in the Blue Mountain, you know. So all you hear them are talking, you know. Some youngster come up within the movements there. Within the coffee business, knowing that's where I get to the right money. Because less than $20,000 go with, you know. That's the cane industry mashed down. The orange industry down the country mashed down and several more. Them to deal, open back the Mavis Bank and Maryland PC Bank. In a Minister Shaw days, it closed down. So, them to open it back, but I don't even want to tell you the most things, because I couldn't even tell you for radio. You understand what I'm saying?
All right, sir. He challenged a court ruling over who should have custody of him. The 7-year-old boy has a history of being beaten by his parents, and the judge initially awarded custody to his aunt, in keeping with child custody law, requiring that family unity be maintained to the highest degree possible. The boy surprised the court when he proclaimed that his aunt beat him more than his parents, and he adamantly refused to live with her. When the judge then suggested that he live with his grandparents, the boy cried and said they also beat him. After considering the remainder of the immediate family and learning that domestic violence was apparently a way of life among them, the judge took the unprecedented step of allowing the boy to propose who should have custody of him. After 2 recesses to check the legal references and confer with the child welfare officials, the judge granted temporary custody of the 7-year-old to the West Indies cricket team, whom the boy firmly believes are not capable of beating anyone. Oh, God. Look how West Indies cricket gone to. Oh, boy. No, sir. Ian, good morning.
Mr. User, you have been laugh. I guess it's the best spin All you can get from the West is no.
Oh God.
Tell you, man. How are you, Mr. Youth?
I am all right. I'm all right.
You know, I thought I'd want to share something with you, but before I do, I listened to Lawrence Rowe, and, I would want to caution Mr. Rowe. He's well in his right to speak, but I think Mr. Lawrence Rowe should seek counseling as to when he speaks. I don't know, but I get some sort of anger that he still holds inside. I mean, as much as the information is truth and all of that, I would still want to caution him as to protecting his own life and be responsible into where and when he shares some information. But that's all I'd want to say about that. But Mr. Hughes, I want to share my own experience as a father here in Jamaica. A father, 3 children, I have another young one, so I have 4 kids. And I want to make mention of my journey in the best way. My children are very confidential, so I have to be careful what I expose. But I remember my daughter, when she was born, she, my only daughter, and most fathers want the best for their daughter and are always protective of their daughter. They love all the children, but they usually put out that extra effort when it comes on to their daughter.
Yes.
And I remember when she was born and she started school, she went to a prominent prep school in Kingston. I won't call the name of the school. And while she was there, she would cry a lot, not wanting to go to school, I just couldn't understand. At times, I would even just go there and stay outside until school over just to see if she's okay. And I remember our teacher said to me that, Daddy, I don't know what's with your child, but she's just not comprehending, she's just not learning, etc., etc. But at this time, she was somewhere between 5 and 6 thereabout, right? I then went and did some assessment by the Bustamante Children's Hospital, the CT scan. They said she's fine. We went again and we did a head test. When they did the head test, they said that she's fine. But the final test that was done was a hearing test. And when she did the hearing test, they discovered that she had a hearing problem. She has a slight deficiency in hearing. So, of course, I went to a place where they deal with the hearing to see how they can amplify or help the enhance her hearing. And I was told that she needed hearing aid, and it was about 400 and something thousand. For the time, it was a bit rough because I have other children going to school. And someone told me about the Ministry of Health. And when I went there and I told them, they told me to bring the invoices at department in New Kingston, right at that building near company office. Remember it? Yeah. So I brought the invoice to them, and they bought the hearing aid cash for my daughter. And when they bought the hearing aid, now she went to a school on Old Harbour Road. I can't call that school name. I think I'm at liberty. Providence School. That's on Old Harbour Road. They deal with special ed and children with special needs. And she went there for about 4 years or 5 years. And during that time there, I also learned that there's a program in the Ministry of Education. You have to pay. It's a private institution. And I learned while being there that there's a assistance that is given through the Ministry of Education for children with special needs. So they actually pay the school fee, not most of it, all of it, at the entity for students who are in need. As long as you come in and you register and you bring the medical information. So she went through this special head school. Of course, learning was always a challenge. But as a parent, I'm involved on almost every aspect. Myself, her mother, and my other son or siblings. They played a role. So we have the school working along, and at home she get the assistant. And she was able to pass her GSAT at the time for Old Harbour High School. And she went through Old Harbour High School, showed that for 7 years, because she went up to upper 6, and she managed to pass her C6 exam. She got 8 subjects. She got her CAPE, and she's now awaiting her final result. And yesterday when I came home, she said to me that she got a call from the University of Technology that they have accepted her. And I share this story as a happy father, very happy, but also that the system works. It exists here. But some of the time, it takes parenting, and I'm encouraging parents, fathers, mothers, get involved in your, don't leave education or learning solely up to the school or the system. Be involved, be enrolled, find out more. You know, I met with you for the first time, I think, the other day when you were up by the parenting seminar that they had up by Pegasus. That's the one who came and shake your hand while you were a student there.
Okay.
But the system exists. And
Hulk Hogan is dead at 71. Yeah? Hulk Hogan is dead. Yeah? And I see here those 5 men who were shot and killed in Jackshill Road earlier this week. The police have identified more of them. And you recall there was one there we described in the photographs that were circulating, that he had somehow, how should I put this? I want to be faithful, that he was seen with only one shoulder. One of his shoulders was missing. We're learning that he's the famous Wani from Red Hills Road, Park Lane, whose registered name is Jabari Williams. He was born on the 12th of July, 1993, and he was from 12 Park Lane. And he's the one in the photograph with the one shoulder. And we were wondering whether the other shoulder was blown off in the gun battle. But no, I hear is well known from 12 Park Lane, Wani, because of the one shoulder. Yeah. Who is next? June, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Hughes.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm okay.
Well, Mr. Hughes, I am trying to be okay. I am ready for my lesson that you taught the lady a bit earlier on. I need to get my lesson as well.
Oh, Lord.
Mr. Hughes, I called the program yesterday evening after 7, thereabout, and was talking to those 2 young guys. Anyway, Mr. Hughes.
Me not like how that sound. Me not like how that sound. 2 young guys, as if them now. What you mean? What you're suggesting? Them not ready? What?
Yeah, man, them ready, Mr. Hughes, but I need to get my lesson from you.
Oh?
It's like this, Mr. Hughes. Mr. Hughes, we need Mr. Chin from NCB. He's the one who is the manager for NCB.
You mean Lee Chin?
Lee Chin.
He's the owner, the majority stake owner. Yeah.
Perfect. I need him to give me a call. I need help. Mr. Hughes, I am unable to see now. I was diagnosed with stage 2 cancer in 2023, going 2 years now.
Breast cancer or?
Breast cancer.
Okay. Sorry to hear that.
I lost one of my breasts.
Oh.
To stage 2 cancer.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I am unable to see. I got some money from NIS because of my job that I was doing before. I got early, what you call it now, because I can't see. Mm-hmm. So when I get that money, Mr. Hughes, I put 200,000 in NCB shares. Don't know nothing about shares in Mr. Hughes, but the only thing me know say me I try invest in some shares. Come here, people say a good thing. Mr. Hughes, the last time I checked, somebody checked for me, it was, I put in 200,000 in 2019, and then now Mr. Hughes is 33,000 I have.
Wow.
Mr. Hughes may have medical expense. I want to start one little business for myself. I started already, but I struggle with it. But Mr. Hughes,
The $200,000 that you invested were all bought, used to buy NCB shares?
Yes, Mr. Hughes.
Only NCB shares?
Only NCB shares.
What year was that?
2019.
Oh, Lord. You know what has happened, ma'am? You know, when you buy shares, it's not a certainty, because it depends on the performance of the company, of the company shares. The shares, so you buy NCB, it depends on how well NCB does. So the share price would go up. If it does well, the price would go up. If it doesn't do well, the price comes down.
Mr. Hughes, I was trying something. Just to invest, not knowing everything about it.
And ma'am, that is a big, big mistake.
No, I know.
Because let me tell you something. You buying and selling shares, investing in whether it is shares, as in they call those equities, or whether it is fixed deposit is different because you have a little assurance from the bank or the institution. But shares entirely depend on the performance of the business. And you should have asked, if this is safe for you, depending on what was your need. Your need was to put away the 200,000 to get a little money on it down the road.
Right.
Well,
never know that I would be diagnosed with stage 2 cancer. Never know.
All of that, ma'am.
I never know.
All of that, ma'am, is not relevant now, and I'm not being insensitive.
Right. Okay.
But the point is, if it were a case, like you say, to build up that 200,000, your only little money, then shares would not have been it. And let me tell you, at the time, NCB was doing very well. NCB shares, I think, had reached up to over $200. It is now down to $32, $33. Then that is why your money has virtually evaporated. Because when you bought those shares, how much you paid for one share at the time?
I think it was $211.
There you go. You know how much that one share is now worth? $30-something, either $32 or $33. And it means, ma'am, that your savings or the little kit you put away has declined by that amount that it has now declined by. And therefore, it's not for Mr. Chin or NCB now to really help you, because you made an investment decision that has gone bad. I have to be truthful to you. It's not about calling Mr. Lee Chin. Because if the 200,000 at $211 a share, if those shares were now valued at $311, you wouldn't make this call. You realize that? Yes. You would not have made this call.
I wouldn't make the call, Mr. Hughes, because I put it down for investment.
Precisely.
So if I invest,
yes.
I would make the call because I put it there and I get investment. That's what I wanted.
Mm-hmm. And there's a lot to be said about. We're working on a story regarding NCB and what's been happening in the stock market with NCB and some trading. Yeah, we are waiting on the managing director of the stock exchange. She tells us she's going to give us an interview, Marlene Street Forest. We're waiting on her to do that story because a lot has been said and reported and being said about what's happening with NCB and Mr. Lee Chin. Yeah, a lot is happening. But where you are concerned, ma'am, you made an investment that has not worked out. Yeah, so your $200,000 is now down to $33,000. Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Hughes.
And I would say to all persons listening, get good advice before you decide how you're going to invest. And you have to use as a guide, what are your needs? What is your plan? Do you want the return for 2 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years? And you have to ask yourself, how can I manage if I were to lose what you're planning to put away? You have to ask yourself these questions. Yeah? Where you are concerned, ma'am, and it's a little too late now, but for people listening, you never know what is going to happen in life.
True.
You never know. Therefore, that is where insurance come in. Because you now have a critical illness, stage 2 breast cancer, you're hypertensive, you're blind. Yeah?
I want to help myself. If I could even get back 150,000, I could be able to buy a little phone card or soap powder or tissue or something to help myself, because I really, really need help at this time.
Yes, but nobody.
My medical.
You could get help if somebody decides out of the goodness of their heart to do so.
Jesus.
But not Mr. Leachin or Mr. or NCB can do that now. Yeah, because it is an investment decision that I said has just gone bad.
Okay, Mr. Yes.
And I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm very sorry to hear. It's hard.
Thanks for your advice.